Wait, who was supposed to fix the clash?
I wrote something down, but I can't read my own handwriting.
Did we decide anything at the last meeting?
Didn't we sign it last week? What did the meeting's minutes say? Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we've all been here. But today, we're here to make sure your meetings never end up in chaos again. If you ever struggled with keeping track of action items, tracking unresolved issues, or making sure your meetings actually lead to progress, this video is for you. And to break it all down, I'm handing it over to Kseniia, our expert in streamlining workflows and keeping meetings productive. Catch you later.
For those who don't know me, my name is Kseniia and I am a project manager at New Vision Agency, and I'm working at framing projects with over 100 deliverables per month, making sure projects run smoothly. And let's be honest, being the person you'd call at 2 a.m. when something goes wrong. Today, we're talking about perfect meeting minutes that are more than just notes. They are a roadmap for your team to stay aligned and keep projects moving forward. So, let's dive into our top tips. Start with a clear meeting agenda. All should start before the meeting even begins. A clear and detailed agenda sets the tone for success by aligning between teams, focusing on discussions, and saving time. Here's what every strong agenda should include. Key topics to cover. Highlight the main objectives for the meeting, whether it's resolving clashes, updating project timelines, or reviewing new model. Specific issues needing resolution. Identify critical points that require immediate decision or follow-up. And check previous meeting minutes. Review prior notes to identify unresolved issues, ongoing tasks, and who needs to be involved for an effective follow-up. Use a standardized template. A template not only saves time, but ensures that nothing important slips through the cracks. Here's what your template should include. Discussion points. Capture the main topics covered so anyone reviewing the minutes can quickly understand the meeting focus. Decision made. Highlight key outcomes to avoid confusion later. Action items. Assign specific tasks complete with the deadlines and responsible individuals to maintain clarity. Using tools like Microsoft Loop or Notion, you can create templates that are easy to replicate and adapt to different types of projects. These platforms allow for real-time collaboration, so everyone can access and contribute to the notes, even during the meeting. And here is the best part! We are sharing our very own meeting minutes template to help you get started. Check the video description for the downloaded link, and while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. If you already have a go-to template or tool, let us know in the comments. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Capture action items clearly. Action items are the engine that keeps your project moving forward. Without clear task, follow-through becomes a guessing game. So, a clear owner. Assign the task to a specific individual so there's no confusion about responsibility. A specific deadline. Deadlines create urgency and accountability. A precise description. The task should be actionable. For example, instead of writing "fix clash issue," say "John from Structural will resolve clash 105 and update the model by Friday, January 5. Track unresolved issues. I'll never forget a project where a small unresolved issue spiraled into a week-long delay, simply because it wasn't tracked correctly. That's why tracking them is just as important as resolving them. Dedicate a specific section in your meeting minutes for unresolved issues and make sure to include a description of the issue. Clearly state what our problem is. Assign responsibilities. Name the person or team tasked with addressing the issue. Set a realistic timeline for resolution to keep things moving. For example, instead of generally noting "resolve clash and mechanical layout," write "Jane from MEP will address clash 300 in the mechanical layout and submit update by Wednesday, January 10. Follow up and share minutes promptly. Meeting minutes are only effective if they lead to action. To make sure your efforts don't go to waste, follow these steps. Share the minutes promptly. Send item out within 24 hours of the meeting. This ensures everyone has a clear understanding of their responsibilities while the discussion is still fresh. Review meetings before the next meeting. Start every new meeting with a quick recap of previous action items and unresolved issues. This stuff definitely keeps projects on track. And there you have it, mastering meeting minutes. It's like finally finding that one file you've been searching for all week. Pure relief and progress. Remember, the key is not just to document, but to drive action and keep your team aligned.
Thanks for joining us today. If you're ready to take your meetings to the next level, don't forget to download our meeting minutes template. It's linked in the description below. And if you like what you just saw, subscribe for more expert advice delivered straight to you.